Today we've got the 2019 Mitsubishi Triton, done 7,500 kilometres. This was the sales manager's vehicle. Essentially you'll be the first owner. This model Triton was Stuff Website's Ute of the Year 2019. It's got a total accessories package of over $8,000. That includes the 20-inch alloy wheels, the 2-piece hard lid, the deck liner, and 3.1 tonne tow bar. Let's jump inside. So this model has the keyless entry, so you can walk up with your key in your hand or your pocket and just press this button to lock and unlock the vehicle. So really comfortable seats, leather all around, front seats are heated, driver's seat is electric. As well as the keyless entry, you've got keyless start with a start-stop button just down here. So this is the 7-inch touchscreen system, fully Apple CarPlay, Android Auto compatible. You use your map system in the smartphone, it shows up on the screen there, GPS. You've got HDMI, a couple of USB inputs there, steering wheel controls, including your hands-free calling button, the voice activated hands-free calling as well, plus it's got the Bluetooth. You can wireless stream your music straight into it, out through the 6 speakers, includes a couple of tweeters over there. So this screen also incorporates your multi-around view monitor, so not only has a rear view camera, but it has a full 360 degree view of what's around your vehicle. Couple that with front and rear parking sensors and you're pretty safe in that respect. You've got dual air conditioning here, so you can adjust the temperature up or down either side of the vehicle depending on what you like. There's lots of other automated features. There's auto wipers, come on when it starts raining, auto headlights come on when it's dusk. They're also auto leveling when you're going up and down over hills, they'll adjust. And auto high beam on and off as you need it, and there's even a self-dimming mirror, so when there's somebody behind you with his headlights on full, it'll sort that out for you. So being a double cab model, you've got a full-size rear seat here, also in leather. We've got a couple of USB points here. We've got the rear air circulators that bring the air conditioning into the back seats. And we've got Isofix points for the kiddie seat to keep them safe, and plenty of room for everyone really. Alright, so we've got 3.1 braked towing, 3.1 tonne brake towing here. We've got 2-piece hard lid, opens up like so, and it's got the solid deck liner here. Now the VRX model also has the rear cross traffic alert, so if you're pulling out of a car park, reversing out of a car park, there's a car coming along this way you can't see, it'll let you know. A buzzer inside. It also has the trailer stability control, so it manipulates the wheels, the braking, etc. if your trailer's starting to get a little bit out of hand. Let's go for a drive. So it's the 6-speed automatic with sports mode and the paddle shift. That'll kick in whenever you feel like it. It's got the 2.4 litre diesel turbo engine. That's 135 kilowatts, 8.6 litres fuel economy per 100 kilometres. So it's 4-wheel drive with a Super Select 2 system. You can switch into 4-wheel drive at up to 100 kilometers an hour if the road starts to get a bit dicey. It's also got the off-road modes that are specific setups for things like rocks or snow. It has hill start assist and hill descent control, which is button that you can press if you're going down a slippery slope, and the vehicle will assist you by braking all 4 wheels independently, and basically you can take your hands off the wheel and it'll do the job for you, take you down the hill. It's got cruise control on the steering wheel. It's got adjustable speed limiter. It's got all the lane assist, lane change assist and blind spot warning that helps let you know what's in the lane next to you so you don't hit it. It's also got forward collision mitigation, which means if you don't see someone braking hard in front of you, it will put the brakes on before you hit it. It's got 5-star safety rating, which is the top safety rating, and they get that through crash tests by having multiple airbags and all the safety features. Because this was the sales manager's drive car, he's done the 7,500 kilometers in it. It hasn't had any actual owners, which means it's still eligible for the 10-year warranty. So it was first registered in December 2019, which means you've got sort of 9.5 years left in that. Right, here we are back at Bay City Mitsubishi. Happy driving!